Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So an issue with Android phones with Play Store, sometimes you want to install an app and when you're trying to download it, it will say pending and it will remain stuck like that. So how exactly to fix it? So here we have like a game and we're trying to download it, and it will say pending, and it will actually start, but sometimes it just doesn't start. So in that case, what you need to do is to just go to the data connection and then just disable and enable it back and try again to click install, and it might work for you. Other than that is that if you have a Wi-Fi connection somewhere, maybe at your home, it's a good idea to just install the apps using the Wi-Fi connection. So if it's saying pending, what you need to do is to end you're on your Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's say that you want to install this game and they are on your Wi-Fi. What you need to do is to disable the Wi-Fi, enable the data connection for your phone carrier, disable the data connection, and then enable the Wi-Fi, and once again go to the Play Store, click install, and most likely it will install your application. Now what happens is that some phones have the option to update the apps when the Wi-Fi is on, and probably there are some apps that are stuck. I mean, they are trying to make the updates but they are stuck. So if you do this switch, disable and enable the Wi-Fi, it might work. Also, if you go to settings, app download preference, you can actually select something like over Wi-Fi only, app download preference, or ask me every time, because if you leave it to over any network, all the apps will just auto update. Even if you have don't auto update apps, it will still update from what I've noticed. And yeah, these settings are getting reset randomly, and sometimes the apps will auto update. So as I said, just disable, enable the data connection and then the Wi-Fi, and try to install the app again, and most likely it will work. I've encountered this issue many times, and pretty much every time it worked if I did those actions. So this is how you can get rid of this issue. If you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.